AI agents are everywhere. We all are using AI agents in our day-to-day life, but most of the AI agents have a very major issue, and the issue is related to the memory. Whenever we ask this AI agents to do something or search for answer, it rediscover the facts from the scratch. There is no memory, there is no accumulation, and Google tried to fix it with something that they released recently. And if you are a tester, you need to understand this specifically why it matters for you. So on 12th June 2026, Google released OTF version 0.1. OTF is open knowledge format. And if you check the tool, the first thing that will surprise you is the tool's simplicity. There is no complex database, there is no proprietary SDK, there is no new runtime. It's just directory of some markdown files with a YML front matter. And each file represent one concept, a table, a matrix, a runbook, an API. And these files are linked to each other like a graph, and these files paths are concepts identity. Now you can open it in any editor, you can zip it as a zip file, or you can host it in any Git repo. So any agent can read it without any integration layer. Now the question is where it came from. Was it Google own idea? No. This idea actually came from Andy Tripathi. We all know his contribution in AI. So in April 2026, he published a dish GitHub known as LLM Wiki, which has like around 5,000 plus stars on GitHub. And his primary idea was like most of the AI system worked like a RAD. We all know that about the RAD. So we upload the document, agent searches for them every time, uh, like at the time we query, generates an answer, and then forgets everything. And in such cases, knowledge never compounds. So his alternative solution was that what if agent maintained a persistent wiki? Every time agent learns something new, the wiki gets updated. Cross references get maintained, and if there is any contradiction, then that also gets flagged. Knowledge base does not remain constant, it just gets bigger and richer over time. So Google took that pattern and formalized into an open specification. Now let's see the file pattern of OTF. So this is the file structure of OTF bundle, and basically OTF is, we can imagine it is an Wikipedia stored as a simple text file on our computer, and each file is one concept, as I earlier said, and these files are linked to each other. And when AI agent notice them, they read them like a map. It knows what everything is and how things connect, and how, or we can say where it has to find what it needs. So this is OTF, open knowledge format. Now here comes the most interesting question: why it matters for testers? So agent memory is now a structured version, lintable artifact, and structured artifacts are testable artifacts. We all know. So we can think like what OTF gives us is that so far any black box agent memory does not give. Okay, we can open the file, we can read what the content of that files are. We can also check what the agent knows. We can check for contradiction between pages. We can validate the cross references. Uh, we can verify that a run boot or playboot API has not gone stale. Uh, we can also link the knowledge base the same way we linked the code. So OTF specification describes a lint operation, checking for orphan pages, stale claims, missing cross references. That is the testing workflow built directly into the format. So for anyone building or testing agentic system, this is not just a data format, it is also a contract. A and contract is something we know how to test. Okay. Now what to watch? So this was the first version been released by Google, and it is version 0.1. It is too early, but the ecosystem is already moving fast. Within days of announcement, multiple open source projects appeared, building producers and consumers on top of it. Tools for generating OTF bundlers from BigQuery visualizers, MCP, compatible memory layers. So this and this Tarpathy dished comment section alone has dozen of independent implementation now, and this is like very early stage of what could become a standard for how agents know something now, and that is really worth paying attention to. Now the so far the spec is short, genuinely like just one page now, and Andrej Tarpathy GitHub is worth reading in full. Both links are in the description. And if you are building or testing anything with AI agents right now, understanding how agents memory work or how to validate it is between a core skill. OTF is one piece of that puzzle. I'm Ujjwal, and this has been quick looked at Google Open Knowledge Format. If this was useful, share with someone who is building agentic system. See you next time. Thank you.